Man, you can see so many stars tonight.
Well, you can. You know, as a kid, I always wanted to be an astronaut. I dreamed of going into space.
I think we all had that dream. Sadly, very few get the opportunity.
Think we'll ever get the chance?
Us? Yeah, right. There's no way the government or NASA would let some random people go into space.
Maybe someday, someone will invent a way where private citizens like us can go into space.
Private space travel? You're crazy. Do you know how much that would cost? Private citizens will go into space when pigs fly.
It's about this new chapter in allowing anybody eventually to experience seeing the Earth from beyond.
Looks like I'm cashing out all my GameStop profits to go into space. See ya.
It's official. Pigs can fly. And they can fly down your processing pipe, making them ideal for product recovery and pipeline cleaning. When utilized inside a product recovery system, the pig is launched at the start of the process line and moves towards the end. The pig acts as a squeegee and pushes the remaining product out of the line. The flexible wipers on the pig maintain a tight seal when passing through sanitary tube, fittings, full port valves, and standard radius elbows. Increase your product yields, decrease water and sewage treatment costs and cleaning agents, and decrease changeover time with the TrueClean Product Recovery Pig.